Okay, good morning, everyone. Look, this is what I want to get straight into. Um, I am very cautious right now about any longs that I have in the market, particularly for cryptocurrencies. Um, Let me tell you why. So I see on the higher time frame, we've got one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so we've got 5 waves up. Now, a lot of people are seeing this highlighted in blue as a 5 wave structure to the upside, which would be impulsive. But let's remove that for now. This green box will turn out blue. There's a CME gap there, a rather large one. Look what we've got here. This box up here, which we'll mark in red, would be the target for a larger ABC correction. So we would have A, B, C. However, the price does not need to get to that red box. I mean, it's almost there. Okay, it almost came up there. Missed it by $1,000. If we go to the RSI, Relative Strength Index, we can see that we've got a huge bearish divergence. So we've got higher highs and there's lower highs on the RSI, okay? So if we did come up into this box, we would be doing it most probably on a bearish divergence, okay? So we would get a higher high on price, but a lower high on RSI, which is bearish. Now that would go hand in hand with what an ABC correction would look like. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is your A leg. You've got your ABC, but how do you work out this C leg? Because this just looks like a bigger ABC correction, and usually you would have 5 waves, so it'd be something like this. But within that C leg, you would have 5 legs. So this is what throws me off, is that this first wave is impulsive. So either this is a wave 1 right down here, we've got a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. You know, it's anyone's guess. But on the bigger time frame, we've got 5 waves down. Then we would get an ABC correction to correct the fall before coming in for another 5 wave move down. The other thing that this could potentially be is that with the fourth wave could actually be up here, and this is a completion of wave 3. And actually wave 1 is all the way up here, wave 2 is up here, and we've just come up to where wave 4 is, and this is a typical crashing structure. So if that is the case, then we could either, this could be the top, or we come up into this box no higher than 36,570 or 600, whatever, before we continue down, and then that would be our 7th leg. So I've spoke about that before. So this would be leg 6, and down here would be leg 7. I mean, this to me looks like a very valid count. And within leg 7, we could either have just a very, very quick 3 legs down, and it could be very aggressive. So this is what I'm worried about. And then our actual bottom is around, well, anywhere from it could come down to 3 grand quite easily and very, very, very quickly. This is what I'm worried about. Okay, if we have a look on ETH, I did post this chart yesterday in the chat just to sort of see what you guys thought about. This is the higher degree. So this is from the top when it was almost $5,000. We've had a 5-wave move down. One could be here. This could be the start of 3. Or we've got 3 finishing here, which looks better actually. And that's 4. Okay. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. So 3 would be here. That would be 4. Okay. And then we've had our 5th leg down. Well, if you remember, look where 4 was on Bitcoin, and look where we are now with Bitcoin before we go heading on down. With ETH, we're right there. And this is how I did the chart before, I remember now. I did post it on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube. Look, we're right where wave 4 was. Okay, so we've tested that. Now, it's possible that we can take out wave 4. We already have. Or this is wave 4 and that's wave 4. Okay, it's up for debate. It really is. So either or, we've either just taken out wave 4 or we're in this vicinity now of retesting wave 4 before we go kaplunk. And then we get our wave 6 is in. So either wave 6 is in here, or it just needs to come up a little bit more and complete this ABC, which is exactly what Bitcoin has not managed to do either. Okay, which would mean that ETH is going to about 2,400 to 3,000. Okay, but then this becomes wave 6. It's not guaranteed. What I'm saying is wave 6 might already be in. The same with Bitcoin. Then we get our wave 7. And that completes your crashing structure. Okay, so this is all this massive bear flag here. That then becomes wave 7. And look how low it is. It's $250. This is simple technical analysis, guys. So yeah, this is something to be really, really aware of. And this is something that nobody on Twitter, nobody on any kind of forum or YouTube, or they're simply not talking about this because they want you to buy. Okay, this is the facts. Look at it. Now, moving over to XRP, everybody, they love XRP. They want it to go $10. That's fine. I love XRP. I've bought XRP for many years. I've had battles with XRP just like everybody else has. But at the end of the day, it's an asset to trade. Now, on the bigger time frame, this could go nuts. Look, we have wave 1, which was the 2017 bull run from 2014. Since then, we've had this massive ABC correction, and yeah, it's very similar to what Bitcoin and ETH are doing. You can't deny it, and it will follow. And this is the bearish flag. So we've got the flagpole here. We've got the flag there. We've got another flag. We've retested it. This is a matter of time before it breaks down. And when it breaks down, we're talking about 90%, no, maybe even more than 90% drop. And again, nobody is talking about this, but it's just something that I need to share. If we look at the DXY, this is what's throwing me off. So the DXY could also be in an ABC correction. Or this turns out to be some sort of inverse head and shoulders, and that actually the low is already in. Now, if you look at the smart money indicator, it's telling us on the daily chart that this is a strong low, and that this area of support is smart money looking to buy, which gives you about not even 0.5% move down left in the dollar index, in the US dollar index, before this starts going like the clappers. And right now we're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP ready to fall off a cliff. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This is the sort of stuff that I teach in trading courses. Um, when I make investment plans and things like that, I'm not telling people to buy at the top. I'm telling people to buy before anybody else is interested in it. I'm getting information from different sources that tell me when the right time to buy is, because I have so many good links within the financial industry. There's lots of different factors. So when you buy an investment plan, you're buying before anybody else knows about it. You're not buying at all-time high prices. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. I will put this into observations so that everybody can watch it. And if anyone's got any questions, please do feel free to put it into the channel. Without your questions, I don't know how to improve. I don't know what to answer. So it's very important that you engage, and that again gives me things to do. So that's great. Thanks, guys.